If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I share creative 3D art content, along with occasional tutorials like this one. If you enjoy topics like this, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you on board. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Your support means a lot and motivates me to create even more tutorials you'll enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. If you are new to Nomad Sculpt, you can refer to my previous video to have a better understanding. So what are we creating today? We'll be making a strawberry shortcake different from normal shortcake. We will make a flower-like cream on top of the cake to make it cutier. It's a simple yet fun project that showcases some of the cool tools and techniques in Nomad Sculpt. To make things easier, the video is divided into sections. You can find them in the progress bar or the description to quickly jump to any part you need. Alright, that's enough of an introduction. Let's get started. To create the cake base, click on the Scene tab in the upper left toolbar. Then click Add and select Cylinder to create a cylinder on the screen. Drag the green dot to adjust the height of the cylinder. Make the height look similar to this. Click on the Edit button in the center toolbar. Adjust the post subdivision and division X under cylinder topology by dragging the sliders. I recommend setting post subdivision to 3 and division X to 4, but feel free to adjust these as you prefer. Go back to the Scene tab, select the cylinder, and click Edit. Then select Clone to duplicate the cylinder, which will serve as the base for the cream layer. Switch to the Gizmo tool in the left toolbar and move the second cylinder up to sit on the cake base. Drag the green dot to make the cream layer taller. Clone another cylinder to create the jelly layer. Drag the green dot again to make the jelly layer thinner. Click on the Edit button in the center toolbar and adjust the post subdivision and division X settings for the jelly layer. For sharper edges, decrease post subdivision to 3 and increase division X to 114. To create the strawberry, add a sphere under the Scene tab. Switch to the Gizmo mode from the center pop-up and move the sphere next to the cake. Drag the red circle to resize the sphere, making it smaller. Click Validate in the center toolbar to unlock additional tools on the right toolbar. Select the Move tool on the right toolbar, then click the Symmetry tab in the upper right toolbar. Enable planes X and Z and make sure Local is selected under Method. Click Show Line to display an indicator on the sphere, which will guide you in applying the Move tool. Activate Sim in the left toolbar. Use the Move tool at the bottom of the sphere to flatten it slightly. Reduce the Move tool radius in the left toolbar and adjust the top of the sphere to create the strawberry's pointed tip. Don't worry about matching the exact shape in this demonstration. Create a strawberry shape you like. Click the Solo button in the bottom toolbar to isolate the strawberry for easier editing. Deactivate Sim in the left toolbar. Select the Trim tool from the right toolbar and activate Rect in the left toolbar. Using the Z-plane indicator, the blue line, draw a rectangle on the strawberry to trim it in half. Increase the resolution of the strawberry by long pressing the Voxel tab in the bottom toolbar. Set the resolution to about 370, then click Remesh. Select the Smooth tool from the right toolbar and apply it all over the strawberry to smooth the surface. Click the square button in the lower left toolbar, select a pink color, and set the roughness to the lowest value. Then click Paint All to color the strawberry pink. Use the paint tool from the right toolbar. Reduce the radius and draw an oval shape on the strawberry to represent its inner flesh. In the Symmetry tab in the upper right toolbar, turn on Plane X and activate Sim. Draw horizontal lines connecting to the oval shape. With Sim enabled, the design will mirror on the opposite side automatically. Select the Smudge tool from the right toolbar, reduce the radius, and blend the edges of the oval and lines for a more realistic look. Use the Paint tool again, reducing the brush density slightly from the left toolbar, and apply it to enhance the inner texture of the strawberry. Repeat the smudging and painting process until you're satisfied with the result. Select the Cell Mask tool to mask the outer layer of the strawberry. Switch to a back view and activate Rect in the left toolbar. Turn on Front Vertex in the center toolbar, then draw a rectangle to mask the strawberry's outer layer. If parts of the strawberry edge remain unmasked, use the Masked tool to fill in the gaps manually. Click the Mask tab in the upper right toolbar. Set the height to plus 0.002 under thickness, and click Extract to create the outer shell. Select the strawberry shell in the Scene tab, then go to the Material tab. Switch to Refraction and lower the index of refraction. Click Paint Glossy for a shiny finish. Paint the strawberry shell a darker color. Adjust the color while painting to get the best effect. In the Scene tab, select both the strawberry and its shell, then click Add and choose Group to combine them. This will make it easier to move the strawberry later. Switch to the Gizmo tool and position the strawberry on the cake. From a side view, adjust the strawberry so it slightly protrudes from the cake. Resize the strawberry as needed. In the Scene tab, select the strawberry group, then click Add and choose Radial from the Repeater section. To move strawberries individually, deselect the radial and adjust each one separately. To move all the strawberries as a group, reselect the radial. Adjust their positions to fit neatly on the cream layer. In the center toolbar, set radial Y to 9 to create 9 strawberries evenly distributed around the cake. Rotate the view to ensure all strawberries are positioned correctly on the cream. Add a sphere under the Scene tab and move it above the cake base using the Gizmo tool. Adjust the position of the sphere so it rests along the edge of the cake. Select the Move tool, activate the Sim button, and ensure the X-plane is turned on. Use the Move tool to flatten the bottom of the sphere slightly. Repeat the process for the whipped cream using the radial function, as we did for the strawberries. Set radial Y to 7 to create 7 whipped cream sections. Use the Move tool to drag the top of each cream section upward, forming a flower-like shape. Move the whipped cream to the cake and adjust its position so it balances nicely. Increase the resolution of the cream to about 330 in the voxel tab and use the Smooth tool to refine its surface. To make the whipped cream more realistic, select the Inflate tool and activate Sub in the left toolbar, so the effect inflates downward. Apply the Inflate tool starting from the center of the cream, working outward to the tip of each section. Create another sphere for the strawberry topping. Resize the sphere to make it smaller. Click Validate to unlock more tools for editing. Use the Move tool, activate the Sim button, and turn on planes X and Z while switching the method to local. Adjust the Move tool radius to flatten the bottom of the strawberry and shape its tip. Increase the resolution of the strawberry to about 415 and use the Smooth tool to refine its surface. Use the Mask tool to create the textured surface of the strawberry. Reduce the Mask tool radius and draw small dots evenly across the strawberry to represent the seeds. Click Invert in the center toolbar so you can manipulate the masked dots. Use the Gizmo tool to adjust the depth of the seeds by dragging the red circle inward slightly. Check the depth of the seeds to ensure they look natural. Click Clear All in the center toolbar to remove the mask. Smooth the strawberry surface again to refine its texture. Paint the strawberry pink and adjust the color until it looks vibrant and appetizing. To create a glossy outer skin for the strawberry, mask the entire strawberry using the Mask tool. Go to the Mask tab and extract the outer skin. In the Material tab, switch to Refraction, lower the index of refraction, and click Paint Glossy. Clear all masks to see the strawberry's glossy finish. Select the strawberry and its glossy shell, then move them together onto the whipped cream using the Gizmo tool. Adjust the size and position of the strawberry to your preference. To optimize file size, select each object individually, go to the MISC tab, and click Decimate to reduce the polygon count while retaining as much detail as possible. Let's finish by adding final colors and textures to the cake. Increase the resolution of the cake base to about 400. Paint the cake base a soft yellow with the highest roughness setting. Select the stamp tool and choose a cake texture image in the alpha shape menu. You can find the texture image under the description box. Apply the stamp to the cake base to give it a textured appearance. Increase the resolution of the cream layer to about 330 and smooth it using the Smooth tool. Select the jelly layer and change its material to refraction. Lower the index of refraction and click Paint Glossy to make it look shiny. In the coloring panel, click the pen icon next to material to pick a color from the screen. Reselect the jelly layer and click Paint All in the coloring panel to apply the selected color. Fine-tune the color as desired for the best look. Go to the Lighting tab and click Add Light. Move the light source around and drag the green dot to adjust the light direction. Add more lights if necessary to enhance the overall render. In the Post-Process tab, turn on Post-Process to fine-tune the rendering appearance. You don't need to match my exact settings, but you can use them as a reference to achieve a similar result. If you're unsure how to export your image, refer to my previous video for guidance. Finally, we've reached the end of this tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video. Your support means so much and keeps me motivated to create more. Feel free to share your thoughts, ask questions, or leave suggestions in the comments section. I'm looking forward to connecting with you and exchanging ideas. See you next time.